I'm tired of the snow. Just putting it out there.
Saw the best memes coming out of like, for the love of whatever, please stop snowing.
And there's more coming.
It's kind of where we're at.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We're standing in like another foot of snow.
And I mean, I know we live in Minnesota, and so we signed up for this. But I kind of feel like since it started in October, it should have ended in February. There should be balance on both ends.
Should be.
But there's not.
I think our animals are tired of it too.
I think they just want breakfast.
All right, well, let's go
get them breakfast, Alfie?
Let's go have some animal adventures in the snow, and we're gonna bring Alfie, along for the ride.
You say hi, Alf?
He likes the snow, so here we go, people. Alfie on the goat playground.
Alfie off the goat playground. Hi, buddy. Alfie thinks he wants honey, but no, maybe not. What, are we gonna see how deep it is? It's one goat deep.
I'm not sure Elle appreciated that.
She didn't like that game. Hi, Oscar. Hello, Mabel. Good morning. Are you awake? Are you ready to come out and play in the snow? Or do you like it in here where it's warm and dry?
This is what you call a chicken ladder of fun. Or worms. Hey, Goldie. These cinnamons are looking better after that molt. Good job, ladies. I guess he's not going to be a bird dog.
That's good.
Yeah, we like the friendly, don't chase or eat our animal dogs.
Yes.
So we got our perfect boy.
Good boy.
Bo is stalking him. See, Bo, he's nice. Alpacas are kind of guardian dogs, so our guys, if they thought it was a threat, they would have a really weird whistle. I guess they think he's okay. Right, buddy?
I was very curious.
Stitch, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up during a snowstorm on top of the chicken coop? Really? Is that one of your better life choices? Yeah, maybe you should be in the barn, you know, somewhere warm. Yeah, okay.
Mabel's meeting Alfie. And Alfie is hiding behind me. He's thinking about meeting her.
You go play with the puppy?
You two could play frolic in the snow.
Mabel's a good jumper like Alfie.
And you two, you're just still gonna stare, huh? You're just gonna stare. You're such a pretty boys, aren't you? You're both pretty boys.
Oh, there's a little nose touch. There's a nose touch. Alfie. Oh, you're doing good. Good boy, Alfie. Good boy. Come here. Oh.
I miss Mabel.
Yeah. He's a good boy. Mabel, you're a good girl. And we're working with Miss Mabel on some halter training.
Mabel, walk.
And it's going swimmingly.
Good girl.
No, she's doing good.
Mabel, walk.
She's just learning. She's just a baby, 5 months old, so everything is new.
Mabel, Mabel, walk. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. You like goat snacks? Goat snacks or pack of snacks?
They have the softest little mouths.
Such gentle little munchers.
Well, what a fun day we had at Little Blues here. Thanks you guys for coming along, enjoying the animals. Alfie had a good time, I think, getting to meet everybody. It went well as he's kind of getting acclimated to our little crew here. So thanks again for watching. You guys have an awesome day.